How to change player name in Score Hero. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Changing your player name in Score Hero is possible, but you need to complete stage 12 in order to unlock the hero option. Simply go ahead and open your Score Hero game and make sure that you've completed stage 12. Once you've done that, the hero button will unlock at the bottom left. Tap on it once it is unlocked. Now, go ahead and click the pencil icon right next to your current player name and then erase the current name, write down a new name, and once done, click on the tick mark at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your player name in Score Hero game. So that's it. There you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.